Good evening. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today is day what? Day 22 of Junk Journal January, and the theme or the prompt was bookshelf. And I interpreted that to mean books on my bookshelf, books that I have read recently or am about to read soon. And I made a little bookshelf on PicMonkey. And I'm just going to cover this with a nicer backing. And I'm going to glue on my little bookshelf. And we will call it a day. These are my books from my bookshelf. Gaza and Crisis, White Fragility, The Little Book of Huga, Demon Copperfields, that's like a modern day David Copperfield. Anne's House of Dreams, that's book 5 in the Anne of Green Gables books. I never read them as a kid, and my daughters loved them, and so I asked my daughter if she had them, and I'm finally reading them because she did have them. Bill Bryson's A Walk in the Woods, I got that at the library book sale, and then I found the movie of it on Netflix. I didn't even know it was a movie, never heard of it. But in the movie it stars Robert Redford, and he's way much older than the guy that really was in the book. It's a true story. Nature's Best Hope, The Real Story of Bambi, The Crooked Little Road to Happiness, The 100 Years War in Palestine, and The Humane Gardener. Those are all things that I have been interested in and am interested in. And, Backyard Birdwatcher's Bible. Okay, that's it. And so this is my bookshelf. There's others, but I didn't have room for all of them. What's on your bookshelf? Do you like to read? What are you reading? I am about to read Gaza and Crisis. And either this one or this one. Either Anne's House of Dreams or Bill Bryson. I've read this one, 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 and this one. Alright, so let me get that set up. Yes, I thought this looked like it could be cute wallpaper, and I'm just going to glue my little bookshelf down on there, and then I'll cut it to the right size. So, how's everybody doing out there? I hope you're staying warm and dry and healthy and safe. As always. A broken record when I keep saying that over. You're probably sick of hearing me say it. But it's nice to know that people care about you, I think. There. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of normal life after holiday. Okay, and so, let's see now. I think we're going to cut it right here. It's going to be a little bit over the top and a little bit over the bottom, but that's okay. It will be sturdy. Alright, and I'm probably going to use my Fabri-Tac to glue that on. I got to come up with I feel like my tripod is just, my camera is just a little bit too low. So I need to move up my tripod, I think, because I can't change it unless I move it up higher. Alright, there we go. Actually, it needs to be all on the top in case I'm going to put this on a bookshelf. It's got to be the same level of all the other pages. Oops. There. Oh, now we've got that page covered up finally and used. Just need to get my stickers. So this is my interpretation of bookshelf. And it was number 22, right? Yep, 22. So I'm going to get my, let's see, my little Dollar Tree numbers. Got a 2. Now I gotta figure out what's for dinner. 2. Ugh, that didn't go on straight. There's a 2. And another 2. And actually, I thought the last video was the shortest, but I'm pretty sure that this one is the shortest so far. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, stay happy, healthy, safe, warm, and dry. I keep adding to it, don't I? We'll see you again next time, which is texture. Number 23. Its prompt is texture. Does that look like a bookshelf? I don't know, but it's the best I could do. I'm no graphic designer, that is for sure. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.